Hi everyone, once again this is Engineer Asim. I bring for you all this new video, fan coil unit, indoor unit. Here you can see fan coil indoor unit, installed fan coil unit. This is the copper pipe in and out, and the outdoor unit is installed on the roof, which is coming from there. This one in and one out of copper pipe, vice versa going to outdoor unit also. And this is condensate drain, which I discussed earlier in my last video. And this is disconnect switch. This is related to electrical scope, which they will connect to our machine control box. Here you can see some instructions also. Heavy duty safety switch. And this is filter, aluminum washable filter, backside of fan coil unit. This is to suck fresh air. And this is your disconnect switch inside area, how it looks like. And these are some instructions related to the safety switch, some precautions, everything we have to go through it prior to any installation. And these are details with model number. Everything is very clear. Warning instructions you can see here. And this is only for suitable for aluminum and copper wire, as we can see on right side bottom. So these are our copper pipes, of course. You can see here some plumbing pipes and firefighting pipes also. Later we will discuss this one in my upcoming videos. And surely I will try my level best to upload at least a single video per day. So this is my today's video. Here you can see machine connection as we discussed in my last video. And these are plumbing pipes. This is canvas cloth. Then after machine connection. And these are copper pipes, as you can see here, going to roof. And then after this duct connected to your plenum box. Okay. And you can see here this plenum box, which is internally insulated duct liner.